Hi, I'm Danny Clark with Collectors Firearms. This is my assistant, Josh Martinez. Josh, tell us about this Japanese rifle. What are we looking at?
So here's a Type 99. It's from Toyo Koko, and it was made mid-1944. And what I like about this one is you start to see some late war features that are coming on as the war progressed. It still has its mid-range rear sight without the anti-aircraft wings, but as you notice here, it has a wooden butt plate already installed. You also have your protectors on the front sight missing. And this one is a Series 34. Like I said, this was made around 1944, mid-1944. And on this one, the mum has been grounded off, and this one does not have where it says Type 99 on it. This is a series where they stopped putting that on the gun.
Now, why would they ground off the mum?
So usually you see that when a surrendered gun or the war's over and it had the chrysanthemum on it, which stood for the emperor's possession. And you couldn't give a rifle away with that on there, basically.
I gotcha. And so you mentioned the wood butt plate. I assume that the earlier guns had metal butt plates?
Yes. So they had metal butt plates in the beginning, but as the war progressed, material got harder to get. They simplified it. It was easier to manufacture that way. You get them out. It went from quality to just quantity now to get them out.
Do you know how many Type 99s were made?
So roughly 3.5 million of these rifles were made during
Whoa,
World
I
War
would
II.
not have guessed that many.
That's a lot. I mean, this supplied the Imperial Japanese Army all throughout the war.
This one looks like it's in really nice condition.
This is in very good condition. On this one too, all the serial numbers are matching. So from inside the gun to outside the gun, it's all matching from when it left the factory.
Wow. Well, thanks for telling me about this gun.
Oh, you're welcome.